Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add a background video to your Webflow project for that eye-catching professional look. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your website stand out with dynamic backgrounds, and you'll see it's actually a pretty straightforward process once you know where everything is. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you're in Webflow and you're working on your project, head over to the Elements panel. This is sort of like your toolbox in Webflow. It's where you'll find all the different parts you can add to your site. Now, when you search for video elements here, you'll notice there are actually two different types available, and this distinction is really important so you don't get tripped up. First, you've got the regular video element. This one's designed to add a video that you want your visitors to play, pause, or interact with. Think of this option like embedding a YouTube video where someone can click play or skim through the controls. It's perfect for things like tutorials or product demonstrations right on your page. But for today, we want our video to play automatically in the background, behind your content, giving the site that subtle, engaging vibe. For this, you need to choose the background video element, not the regular one. I know this sounds like a small detail, but it's super important because the background video is specially coded to autoplay, loop, and stay quietly in the background without controls, just adding those cinematic vibes behind your images, text, or whatever you're putting on top. So go ahead and drag the background video element onto your page. Now click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an upload button prompt you to choose your video file. Choose a short, web-friendly video you've got saved. If you're undecided on the kind of footage to use, maybe test out a loop of moving clouds, city lights, or anything that sets the mood for your site. Just be sure to use a video that isn't too large. Webflow has some size limitations, and keeping it short ensures your site loads quickly for visitors. After you upload, give it a couple of seconds. Webflow will process your video and handle the rest in the background. Don't worry if there's a slight delay, that just means your video is being optimized for web delivery. Once it's up, you'll see the video start looping right there behind your content. It's super satisfying to watch your site come alive. If you need to swap out your video, or maybe you decide a different style suits your vibe better, it's super simple. Just click the video again and you can upload a new one anytime. Webflow makes it easy to experiment until you land on exactly the look you want. And that's really all there is to it. Now you've got a dynamic, professional background that can instantly elevate the feel of your website. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or just want to add a little touch of animation to your landing page. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always here to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.